Market equilibrium, the mathematics of business. Market equilibrium is the point at which the supply and demand for a product or service are in balance. This fundamental economic concept is crucial for business to understand, as it allows them to make informed decisions about pricing, production, and inventory management. By mastering the mathematics of market equilibrium, companies can optimize their operations, maximize profits, and stay competitive in their respective industries. Next, demand and supply curves. Demand curve. The demand curve represents the relationship between the price of a product and the quantity that consumers are willing and able to process. As the price of a product decreases, the quantity demanded increases, and vice versa. Supply curve. The supply curve represents the relationship between the price of a product and the quantity that producers are willing and able to supply. As the price of a product increases, the quantity supplied also increases, and vice versa. Equilibrium points. The equilibrium points in the intersection of the demand and supply curves, where the quantity demanded is equal to the quantity supplied. This is the point at which the market is in balance and the price is stable. Next, equilibrium price and quantity. 1. Equilibrium price. The equilibrium price is the price at which the quantity demanded is equal to the quantity supplied. This price is stable and represents the market clearing price where there is no surplus or surplus. 2. The equilibrium quantity. The equilibrium quantity is the quantity at which the market is in balance, where the quantity demanded and the quantity supplied are equal. This is the quantity that will be traded at the equilibrium price. 3. Implication. The equilibrium price at a quantity provides importance. It stands for business as the informs pricing strategies, production levels, and inventory management. Understanding this concept is crucial for optimizing financial performance and decision making. Next, factors affecting equilibrium. Change in demand, shifts in consumer preferences, income levels, and other factors can cause the demanded curve to shift, affecting the equilibrium price and quantity. 2. Change in supply. Variation in production costs, the technological advancements or government regulation can lead to shift in the supply curve, altering the equilibrium points. 3. Government interventions. Government policies such as price controls, subsidies, taxes can directly impact the equilibrium, creating shortage, surplus, or other market distortions. 4. Market dynamics. The interaction between supply and demand, as well as the behaviors of buyers and sellers, can influence the stability and reversiveness of the equilibrium over time. Next, shift in demand and supply. 1. Demand shift. When the demand curve shifts, the equilibrium price and quantity will change as the new intersection of the demand and supply curves will occur at a different points. 2. Supply shift. Similarly, a shift in the supply curve will result in a new equilibrium price and quantity as the market adjusts to the change in the relationship between supply and demand. 3. Combined shifts. In real-world scenarios, both demand and supply can shift simultaneously, leading to more complex change in the equilibrium points and the overall market dynamics. Next, practical applications of market equilibrium. Pricing strategy. Understanding market equilibrium helps business set optimal prices that align with consumer demand and maximize profitability. production planning. Analyzing equilibrium dynamics allows companies to adjust their production levels to match market conditions and avoid surpluses or shortages. Policy evaluation. Policymakers can use the principles of market equilibrium to assess the impact of government intervention, cost taxes, or subsidies on market outcomes. Data-driven decisions by modeling and predicting market equilibrium. Business can make more informed decisions about their operation, investments, and overall strategy.